Commencing test video 19. So both valid and invalid modes will be tested for each piece specifically. I'll do general tests here. So if I load up, so if I were to double click, say, the pawn, we can see we can't move from D2 to D2. You can see that nothing occurs. I can't capture own piece. If I just double click all of these different ones, you can see that is the case for that. And then if I click one of these pieces and then another of my own pieces, so the queen can't capture any of these pieces, right? I can't move to any of these squares of my own pieces, as shown. And then if I were to, say, double click an enemy piece here, nothing happens, as shown. Then if I were to click an empty square and then my piece, then nothing happens, as you can see. And then all of those moves were rejected, as shown. And with these square highlights, if I were to click the piece first and then click an invalid, the move choice is reset and the square highlights are gone for that, as shown. And then if I move Egon 2 against the AI, so here you can see as I'm playing moves, it's not flipping the board as should be the case. And yes, after any invalid move is attempted, the board is redrawn. So if I try and move to here, then it works as intended. And if I show black as well here, then that is also as shown. And if I show also trying to do the same thing for black, move to squares that aren't valid moves, any square not by the, and as you can see, you can't capture your own pieces, you can't move on to them or to any invalid squares, as shown.